Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
We are young, we are floating like the sun.
Today I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. I love buying stuff on the website. I'm always ordering things probably like every 2 weeks because I'm always finding super good deals, and yes, the quality is not the best, but I love fast fashion because I tend to wear a lot of my stuff like once or twice, and then there's like a couple of items I do wear pretty frequently, but with Shein stuff I do wear like less than 5 times, but it depends. So I'm going to start off by these 2 items. I bought this about 3 weeks ago. I did already open it, but let me show you guys. So it's this really cute like baby doll looking dress. Oh yeah, by the way, these are all like retro slash vintage inspired dresses. So here we go. This one definitely caught my eye because I have this really cute like collar here, the Peter Pan collar, and then I just love how like flowy it is, and this really pretty print. And here's the next dress. So this is very like retro 60s mod type of fit. Love the color. It's just very soft. The fabric is actually like decent quality, and it feels like it could be like maybe $20, which I bought for like I think $10. I think $10. I don't know. I got it when it was like a super sale, so very inexpensive. Kind of hugs your body. I just love how like retro looks. This will be good for like costumes for Halloween. This one, oh yeah, I got this from the kids section. The kids section, they have some really cute stuff, and plus like their stuff fits me better because I am so petite. So here we go. This gives me like like I'm gonna be cooking bread with my grandma. That's the type of look that I think it looks like. Very cute, and it's small for me, and hopefully it looks cute on me. If not, maybe I'll donate it to my niece. We'll see. I like the little embroidery in the front. Look at how neat that looks, and it actually doesn't look super like low quality, which I like that they put a little effort into the flowers. Next item is this. Ooh, yeah, this is really cute. This caught my eye. I don't know how it's gonna fit me, but this is what it looks like. It's actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. The neckline is huge, so I don't know how it's gonna fit on me. The fabric is actually really nice, and it's like ribbed slash like very stretchy. It's got a lot of elasticity. I'm not sure how this is gonna fit me. Got this in the women's section, so we'll see how that looks. But it looks like this, very similar to the yellow dress, but it's very 60s. I like the print. The buttons look like very low quality, but again, it's Shein, so I'm not expecting like a $10 look button, so I can't complain. I could always switch it out to a different button and do something that I like. Okay, so this one I do remember getting from the kids section. Very vibrant, very different. It's cute, and it's got this cute little like applique collar on here. Very different. It kind of reminds me of like a butterfly. I hope it fits around my neck because my neck is pretty small, so it shouldn't have a problem. But it's sleeveless. I love the color. It's almost like a salmon color. This would be cute for like Easter. It just gives me like an Easter vibe type of dress. Next item, this is from the kids section. It's this dress here. It looks very vintage. As you can see, it looks very like, I don't even know what the style is called, I forgot. But it looks like out of like, you know those scary movies or those horror movies that you watch? And they have like this really big Victorian looking house. It's always like the little children wearing these type of dresses. That's what it reminds me of. I don't know what time frame this is from, but it's just so cute. I thought this would be fun to wear. I don't know for what, but maybe I'll have some fun video ideas for this. Another dress. Oh, cute. Okay, so I do like this one a lot. The only thing I'm worried about is, oh, it's a little long. So it looks like this. Very cute. I like it. I like the collar. It's like pointy. I don't know. It's just very vintagey, and I just love the pattern. Look at that. It's got the yellows, the purples. I like the background color too. It's just very pretty, and the fabric feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like the high quality fabric, but again, this is not something I'm gonna wear every day, but it is pretty nice for under $12. Next item I'm gonna show you guys is this cute little cardigan. I fell in love with the color, and then it's got these really cute little like button little roses. So cute. Well, they're not even buttons, they're just like decorative buttons. Okay, so I have 3 more dresses I totally forgot I had in my closet. Okay. Ooh, this feels very papery. I don't know if I'm a fan of this fabric. It feels interesting. Oh, okay. It's like a tiered dress. Kind of fun, very wrinkly, but kind of like it. It looks like fun and cute. You got this dress. Oh, okay, the material feels pretty nice. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. That's so cute. That's adorable. Look at that. That is so cute. Forgot I ordered this. But look at that. I like the little bow right there with the little pearl button. That is adorable. That is so cute. It's kind of see-through, but we'll see how it looks on. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I wish I was in California and I could wear this. That is adorable. How cute. The quality actually feels really nice. Look at that. You can see it up close. Very, very cute. And then I like the little flowers. They're all different colors. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.